Welcome dear children. In the previous video, I have explained the basic proportionality theorem. The link of the video I have given in the description. Having understood basic proportionality theorem, let us understand the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now the concept is the same, but only the given condition is different. So what is a converse? Converse is actually the opposite of basic proportionality theorem. So here, what is the given condition? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, if it divides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So what is the converse of basic proportionality theorem? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle. Now here the triangle is ABC. ABC is a triangle. Now there is a line L which divides, there's a line L which divides the sides. Which sides? AB and AC. So it's dividing these two sides in the same proportion. If it's dividing the same proportion, then the line is parallel to the third side. So which are the first two sides? The first side is AB, second side is AC, and third side is BC. So the line L is parallel to which side? It's parallel to the third side, which is BC. So let's understand each part of the theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle, in the same ratio. Now which line is dividing? Line L. Line L is dividing side AB and side AC. Line L is dividing side AB and side AC in the ratio AP upon PB. That is this part. That is AP upon this part. That is PB. And the ratio is equal to the other part, that is AQ upon QC. That means suppose there is a value which is the AP upon PB is say 1 upon 2, and if AQ upon QC is also 1 upon 2, that means both the sides are equal, and when they are equal, that means this line is, which line? Line L is parallel to which side? It's parallel to BC. Okay, line L is parallel to side BC if the ratio, which ratio? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. If the ratio is equal, then the line is parallel to the third side. Therefore, line L is parallel to side BC. Okay, so this was the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now you don't have to prove it. Now we'll try to compare basic proportionality theorem with the converse, so that you know what is converse. Okay, this is the converse and this side is a basic proportionality theorem. In basic proportionality theorem, what is the given condition? Line L is parallel to BC. That means this line is given, it's parallel to BC. Then therefore what will happen? What will happen is AP upon PB, the ratio of AP upon PB will be equal to the ratio of AQ upon QC. Since the condition, these two lines are parallel, therefore the ratio upon AP upon PB will be equal to AQ upon QC. Okay, so this was basic proportionality theorem. Now what is converse of basic proportionality theorem? The condition is, given condition is the ratio is equal. Now if AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, if the condition is such, okay, if you get a triangle that the ratios of two sides are equal, therefore the line which is causing this ratio to be formed, this line will be parallel. That means these lines will be parallel. Line L is parallel to line B. I hope you have understood basic proportionality theorem. Only thing you have to remember, that a triangle is being cut by a line. If the line is parallel, then the sides are in proportion, and the converse would be when the sides are in proportion, then the line will be parallel. So naturally you have a triangle and line intersecting it. So whenever you find a figure like that and you find the ratios are equal or the lines are parallel, you come to know that you have to follow the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, thank you very much and God bless you, dear children.